Today we're going to show you how to make a minty mouthwash. To make this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of hot distilled water, 1 mint tea bag or a handful of dried mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 5 drops of peppermint oil. The first thing you'll do is steep your tea bag or your mint leaves in your hot water for 5 to 10 minutes to get a tea. And then you can add your sea salt and your peppermint oil. Make sure that you are using unrefined sea salt or Himalayan salts because they're full of minerals, they help to kill bacteria, and they reduce inflammation of the gums. You don't want to use table salt because this can actually do more harm than good for your oral health. The peppermint is antibacterial and really great for killing off any bacteria that's causing odor in your mouth. And you can also add 10 drops of trace minerals if you'd like. These trace minerals help to remineralize your teeth, so they're really great if you have any kind of teeth decay issues or if you just want to keep your teeth really strong and healthy. And then you'll just give everything a shake. Your water will still be warm from making the tea, so the sea salt will dissolve really easily. And there you have your natural minty mouthwash.